What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to be walking you through on how to make use of Canva. This video is a full Canva tutorial. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Canva, how to create designs from Canva, alright, and how to download your designs from Canva. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe right now by hitting on the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Because what I do on this channel is that I go out there trying things out. When they work for me, I come right and show you exactly what I have done, which means that if you follow my step-by-step process, you get the exact same result I got. Alright, so without wasting time, now let me go to my screen to show you how to create a Canva account. Okay, how to create a Canva account and how to make use of Canva. Alright, how to design things from Canva. That is what I'm going to show you in this video. Keep watching. Alright guys, welcome back. Here is my Canva account. Alright, here is my Canva account. You see a lot of designs now. Like I said, I will show you how to create a Canva account. Now, to create a Canva account, immediately you enter canva.com. This is what you are going to see. Login and sign up. Okay, this is what you're going to see. Alright. So, to sign up, click on sign up here. Then either you register with your email, your Google account, or with Facebook, or continue with email. So if you want to continue with email, just click continue with email. Then you enter your email address and click continue. Alright, it's very easy. That's how to create a Canva account. Alright, now for me, I've created my own account, so I'm going to be walking through with my own account. Alright, so let me go back to my own account right now. Alright, now for example, you want to design a YouTube thumbnail, because most of my YouTube thumbnail I design them with Canva. Alright, if you want to design a YouTube thumbnail, kindly come right here and search YouTube thumbnail and hit enter. You're going to see a bunch of thumbnails that you can use and design them. You see this one, you see this one. Okay, you see this one here. Then you can also design from scratch, from a blank layout. All right, like this one is pro version, so you need to upgrade your account in order to make use of these ones, while these are free. For example, I want to make use of this one, so what I have to do is to click this one. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, then subscribe, and also don't forget to smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And please, while registering with Canva, make sure you use the link below the description of this video to register your own Canva account. Alright, so here now, for example, if I'm a videographer or a photographer, this one I'll leave this one like this, and here I will do this one by the quickly, then enter how to, then I'll increase this thing. Alright, then bring this one here. Alright, then how to capture scene. I have to capture background like this one here. Alright, how to capture background. Okay, then I can enter this one easily. I can also increase this text. You understand? So then I can bring it here. Now after designing here, you need to download it. Alright, so for you to download, what you need to do is to click on share. Okay, and you can also change this one. Okay, and if you want to have your own image here, don't worry, I'll show you how to upload your image, because this is a full Canva tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to upload your own image to Canva. All right, after designing, you click on share, then you go to download. All right, then you see PNG suggested, then you need to click this one to download your design. It's downloading right here. You see it right now. You can see it has downloaded. All right, now in case you want to upload your own image, all right, you want to upload your own image, so let's use another design here. Let's use another design here. Let's check for another design here. Okay, let me see this one. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, okay, now I want to have my own image here. What I need to do is to delete this one. When I click on it, I press delete on my keyboard. It's out right now. So for you to have your own image, go to upload, click upload here. You can see I have uploaded a bunch of images here. Okay, so you can click on upload files to upload it from your own system. You click upload file, then you select any image from your system. Okay, select any image from your system. When you select it, just click open, then your image will be uploaded here. All right, so now I have my own image. For example, I won't have my photo here, so I'll scroll down here to select this image, so I'll drag it over here. Can you see? I'll now increase like this. Then I want to flip this image, so I click flip, then flip horizontal. All right, and now drag it like this. Okay, now I will do this one. I'll type this text here. I'll type this text here. Let me increase this one. Then how to use Canva. How to use Canva effectively. All right, so I can decrease the font size by clicking this sign here. All right, can you see how to use Canva effectively? All right, so after designing your stuff, all right, you click on share, then go to download. File type, you can download either JPG or PNG. All right, so after that you click on download. This design will be downloaded to your own system. All right, so and there are other things you can use Canva for. All right, let me show you. And if you want to design a book cover, you can use Canva to do that. Okay, that is what I'm going to show you. Okay, on my next video I'm going to show you how to design a book cover with Canva. You can design anything with Canva. All right, so guys, if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, then hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, because the video I'm going to upload next is how to create a book cover with Canva. So it's better you subscribe now, then hit the bell icon so that you will be notified anytime I upload that video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.